Hey guys, welcome to new video. 39 Dusan here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to very easy recover gold from the IC chips. I'm gonna recover gold bonding wire from exactly 100 four side legs ICs. Different size, different shape. You can easily recover gold from ICs without use any acid. I repeat, any of acid. But that gold will be probably 14 or 18 carats. If you want, of course, high purity, you need to refine that with aqua regia. But if you just want to sell that, you can do on that way, which I'm going to show you in this video, and your gold will be definitely sellable and you will not use any of acid. But I will, on the end of the video, I will refine that gold bonding wire. I will definitely notice you when is the point when you just can melt your gold, and your gold will be sellable 14 or between 14 and 18 karat. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, so here on this table, metal table, this is actually my machine for wood. I got 100 pieces of four side leg ICs, and different size, different shape. You see the big one, middle one, small one, even that Realtek sound. Yeah, look at that Realtek sound one, and any four side leg chip is very good for gold recovery. So different size, thickness and shape. And here I got exactly 100 pieces of ICs. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna use a torch. I'm gonna this is the tops. Every chip is put on a desk with the top upside, and now I'm gonna use torch, and I'm gonna burn every top of every chip, but not the down part, only the top, and not too much burn, just a little bit. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so my job is finished for now. Well, the tool which I use is an electrical engraver machine. So this is engraver, and my engraver is a Russian manufacturing Zuber die grinder. So it's very fancy machine, little machine. I work for this amount 100 ICs. I need about 1 hour, and after 1 hour it's cold. So very nice little tool. Okay, so let's see. This is how it's look all by chip. You see, I remove only a middle with gold bonding wire, and best stuff is it's much easier to work with the small one than with the bigger one. You see, so this is just a dead weight. So so on the beginning I already removed that dead weight. No magnetic pins from the leg, no too much dust. So you need to work, of course, but you save acid, sulfuric if you want to do wet ashing, and you save a lot of time when you remove that weight. Probably gold stay somewhere, very small amount, but I think that I remove about 90-95%. In this dish is empty powder, because when the chip is thick, the top I remove first here, then the middle part with a gold bonding wire I grind here, and this is the all powder which we need to process. So very decent small amount of fine chip powder. So this go to panning, okay? And to show you that there is no too much dust to fly around, this is the mask which I wear all the time. And if you see, only here I got when I touch with my finger on the nose, I got little black, but if you see, this mask is clean. So no dust to fly around, because when you do with this tool, see, little engraver, die grinder, the powder is heavy and straight fall to bottom, don't fly around, okay? So okay, this I will just save in some bucket, and maybe, who knows, maybe one day I will process that to some and wash that with the sluice, just to be sure if I miss something, but I think that I don't miss anything. This two go in the same bucket, and this we will add water and some soap to break up some water density, and we will pan that for gold. And in that purpose I got these. Look at that. Look at that sexy little pans. This is a 20 centimeter pan, and this is 15 centimeter pan. For this purpose, very nice two little item. And yes, your question is that pan 3D printed? Yes, it is. That pan is printed on the 3D, so it's look very cool. Okay, so let's collect that, and let's pan that for gold. Okay guys, so right now here in this bucket I have my powder. I just sprinkle that like this. This way you push all that powder on the bottom, And right now we will pan this. Okay guys, I'm not perfect in this, but I think that I am good. So this is our gold mixed with the copper. So right now you got a moment when you can collect this powder and melt that or smelt that in the nice little bead, and that bead will probably be about between about 14 karat, because you got some copper there, but you got a lot of gold, maybe a 10 karat, 14 karat, but your gold will be a saleable. But I'm not gonna do that this time, because I want to see how much gold I can get. So I'm put that in a beaker, and I will refine that right now for gold. Okay. Okay. So you see how the gold, how the metal float on the water, and right now when I sprinkle water, everything go down. This is why I use sprinkle. Okay guys, so I transfer that gold from the pan in the beaker. So let's see on the bottom of the beaker. Yeah, I got some gold, but I got some copper. If I turn off light, yeah, it's worse. Okay, I hope you see the yellow line. So what I'm gonna do, I will add aqua regia and I will refine that, okay? Okay guys, so after one night, this is our gold, and I have to increase amount of solution because I have some delayed reaction. My SMB is old. I got SMB about 2 years, so probably it's overdated, and but never mind. After I just add some amount HCl and water to increase amount, because to make drop easy, and on the end this is our gold. You see the color is so nice, very nice, pure, so I don't need to double refine that. But powder is not too much heavy. I will turn off the light. You see much better amount. Yeah, you see that. So the powder is very soft, very soft but very pure. Okay, so this is our gold from our 100 4-side lag ITs. Yeah. So I refined that straight in aqua regia, but you can just clean all the base metal with nitric acid, then melt the residue or refine residue with normal aqua regia. But I just go straight to aqua regia because I want to save some acid, not to waste too much acid. Okay, so okay, let's decant that, dry that, and put on a scale. Okay guys, so finally everything is over. Here I got dried powder, gold powder. Very nice color. So right now I will put that on the scale. My little friend is here. My little friend is here again. as always, keep watching how much gold I get. So okay, put a little dish on the scale, and I try with one hand. Well, between 0.2 and 0.3, you see. From that 100 square different size ICs. Okay, I got something in the glass, but this is just small. But yeah, between 0.2 and 0.3 gram. So I think it's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay guys, so yeah, you see that. So right now we are finished our process, and between 0.2 and 0.3 gram from that 100 four side legs ICs, I think it's not bad at all. It's always do that. All that chips, I got big one, I got small one. The small chip, smaller bonding wire, of course. And I got that sound, Realtek sound chip. So I think that this result is not bad, but purity of gold is extraordinary after the first drop. So I don't need to refine that. That goes on the pile. So this is the one way how you can extract gold. Why? The full process, it's about very short time, about 10-minute burning, about 1 hour grinding, and after that maybe 15-minute panning, and of course refine step if you want. If you not want, you can smelt that straight, and you will get some maybe 12, 14, maybe 18 carat of gold. Depends of your panning skill. Okay. So I hope you like this video, and subscribe to my channel, our channel, and of course I will see you soon in the next video. Production out. Cheers. Say hi.